Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how we can make money with Kucoin. Kucoin is a platform on which you can trade buy cryptocurrencies, and you can also earn. And Kucoin got one huge advantage comparing to the other crypto brokers, crypto exchanges, if that's the right word for it. So I'll explain you soon. So the first way how you can actually make money with Kucoin is that if you would create content about Kucoin on YouTube. So what you could do is to just easily go to YouTube and write here Kucoin how to deposit money, how to make money, how to deposit money. And there are plenty of tutorials that you can make, and it works really well. Only because you can earn a living from YouTube. So if you want to create crypto videos and content around crypto, there is a link down below in the description that I can help you with. I got like mini course on how we can start with the YouTube, what are the important things when starting on YouTube, and I think you can find them really useful. So that's the first way how you can make money, that you would create content around Kucoin platform. The second way is that yes, you can simply buy crypto, and you can buy with Ethereum, Bitcoin, just with the euro, or you can do day trading and swing trading. I won't really get into that because that's like simple to understand. What they really have, and what is really great, if you can go trading bot. So this is really great way how you can make money, is that Kucoin trading bot, earn profits without monitoring the market, strategies for free. And now you see the PR rating, profit rating. See right here, various trading strategies. You can go with a classic grid, volatility killer, sell high, buy low, DCA, compete against time to seize the initial of the bull market, futures grid, long short automatically to profit from market trends. There's really a lot of things that you can use. And like this is a really good way how you can actually make money with Kucoin. And right now I'm on Binance and I earn money there, but I don't even know if Binance has trading bot. GitHub there is, but there isn't like directly from Binance. So Kucoin got a huge advantage with this. This is like so good. And now you select the strategy, invest funds, start earning. And you see that free basic service, intelligent AI, run 10 bots at the same time. And damn, this is huge, right? Join Kucoin's trading bot community, earn profits with global users. So this is something that you should definitely, if you want to make money with Kucoin, this is a good way how you can actually make money with Kucoin. And I would definitely recommend doing that. You can't comprehend how good it is. Like right now, I get a lot of affiliate income from cryptocurrencies, from the videos that I made on YouTube, mainly Binance and others, also like Coinbase, Gemini, etc. And it would be a really great way if I could have a bot that would just like earn money for me. That would be so damn amazing. So this is the first way how we can, like the second way how we can make money. Another way how we can make money is that you would just actually earn. Let me show you. Invest to earn stable profits or professional asset manager. This is what I would do, is that if I would have a lot of money in crypto, you can do it also with flexible terms, staking, save and withdraw whenever you want. And you see DFI, Hydra. Like I can go with the DOT, Loom. But one thing is that you have to actually own the crypto. So like DFI is good, 30%, it's huge. So that's something you can definitely do. Staking for more profits, capital guarantee. Or you can have like promotions here, and there's like quota. This is a really great way if like a new upcoming coins or tokens are on the market. And it's possible to use these like Hydra. So I can come here and write Hydra coin price. So it sees really grow quickly. I mean, what are these rises, man? January, Hydra was nothing, $1. That's what, 39k in profit if I would invest 1,000 euro. Yeah, 46k if I would sell it on peak. And this is huge. And with this annual reference annual yield. That's huge how much money you would make. So that's something you can subscribe and you can actually invest. And this is another way how you can make money with Hydra. So yeah, that's another thing that you can do. And then you can just like staking here, etc. So to summarize this whole video, what you can do is actually trade simply, buy cryptocurrencies, sell them. You can create content around crypto. Many people are creating it. Like when I'm going to do a tutorial, the Money ZG is making a really lot of money. And he's good. So that's something you can definitely do. And look at his views, like he must have so much views. Look, 2 million. Even more. Like this is what, 3 million? Yeah, 3 million views. That's what, around 10k in profit, I believe. Not counting affiliate and his products that he has. Like I don't know if he's selling some courses or something. No, he's not. But yeah, he got trade on Binance, Celsius, Trezor Hardware Wallet. So he got a lot of money, a lot of earnings. Now, this is what you can do. Then I recommend like using the trading bot. That's a really great way how you can make money, and I would definitely do it. So Kucoin trading bot. So username, and you see so many ways how you can make money. And I would go with the classic grid. That's the way I would like use the bot. And it will be really, really good. So you see those earnings are damn high. So really good. Now, a different way that you can like simply earn by staking, by also you have like flexible terms here. So that's a really great way. And that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So yeah, again, I was creating videos for like 4 years right now. I create over 4,000 videos on YouTube. And I think I can give you value if you decide to go with the road of creating YouTube content, YouTube videos. It can be really beneficial. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And again, have a good one, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.